Whew, last minute washing before we leave. We're literally going to be leaving in like 5 minutes.
For like or in 5?
Hey?
For like or in 5?
Sorry, say that again?
You said for like 5 minutes.
Oh, sorry.
What do you mean in 5 minutes?
Let me just rephrase that. We're leaving in 5 minutes. So, last minute washing before we leave. Okay, now we are done. Now time to go and lock up everything. So, all right, so now we are heading off to Wilson's prom. Here we go, 2-3 hours of driving, and now it's just all traveling time now. We'll see you guys soon. Peace. So we've just arrived at our spot. Right behind me is the place where we would be staying at for the next few days. So yeah, it's just all here. Surprised this little fella survived the whole way here. Okay. Can you help us? Just emptying out the stuff for the house. We need to get the key. That's me to know, you to find out. I'll link the... there'll be a link in the description or info in the description if you'd like to come here and check out this place. Oh, drop the keys. It's all over now. Okay. So let's do this. So since we're the first ones here, I think we're gonna bag...
We call shotgun!
Oh yeah, first try. So that's that. I wonder which key it is. I wonder if it's this brand new one. Yeah, just like, hey, buddy. Okay. Oh. So now I'm going to empty out the car and bring everything inside. I have to place this down. Right there. Dinner is served. Yeah, I've been like getting into vlogs. Oh yeah. So I'm just like trying to build up my confidence with the camera. That's all right, mate.
I like salt, please.
I can't get used to that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Here's one I'm
I want to figure out which one.
I'm too self camera shy.
Yeah, camera shy?
Self camera.
Oh, self shy. Yeah.
Would anyone like some water that I made?
No, thank you. Hey. The yellow water. Looks like a piss.
Would you like some?
Is it diet water?
I thought it was
Please,
corn
Yes.
rolls.
Is that real water?
Do you guys want to know something really
Oh, yeah?
funny? So,
Maybe that's...
One of the groups that we have today is a cake decorating. So they come and make cakes, but it's all done already.
What do you mean half?
It's from the tab. It's in.
Okay, so that's the end of today's. Who are you talking to? I'm talking to the camera. Alright, so that's the end of today's day. We're here now. I'm gonna have a shower, jump into bed, wake up in the morning. Hopefully I can catch the sunrise, and then after that we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. Do you want toothpaste? That's cat. Ding ding ding. Alright, yeah. So that's what's gonna happen. That's the plan. Sleep, wake up at 8:30, and we are going where? To have breakfast and then Wilson's prom.
Breakfast is here.
Breakfast is here.
French toast.
French toast. Ooh, yum. So I'm gonna have a shower once Cat is out. It is in here. Toothpaste is in here. See you guys in the morning. Peace.